They're aggressive, they're fearless. It's not secret that our next family of birds are formidable predators. Meet the Drongo and the Shrike. Infamously known as bullies, mimics, and absolutely brutal in the killing of their prey, these bird families are our next pick. Famously known as the bird with an attitude, the black drongo is usually found in open forests. These birds are usually found on their own or in pairs. They live up to their reputation of being fearless by regularly attacking much larger species, including birds of prey. The bird is glossy black all over with a long tail that is deeply forked and flares wider towards the end. The black drongos spend at least a quarter of their time following other animals. They are still hunters, meaning they sit upright on a prominent perch before swooping down on an unsuspecting insect. The greater racket-tailed drongo is a medium-sized Asian bird that is distinctively characterized by the presence of two wire-like twisted, spatula-tipped tail. Known to be the largest of the drongo species, this bird is quick to pounce on and grab at food source by other birds. Like other brethren, the greater racket-tailed drongos feed mainly on insects, but can also eat fruit and visit flowering trees for nectar. Racket-tailed drongo have reddish-brown eyes that are very prominent and stand out against the otherwise dark head and a rather funky hairdo. They are also great mimics and will imitate the calls of birds they hang out with. Must be quite a hit in their social circle. There is a lot to love about the hair-crested drongo. The bird has glossy black plumage with sparkling blue-green spots, a long forked tail, and blood-red eyes. The bird is usually seen perched on an open branch, where it awaits a passing insect. The hair-crested drongo prefer wet forests but can also be found in other woodlands, mangroves, and parks. They tend to avoid more dense forest interiors. This drongo is noisy and noticeable, usually active and frequently aggressive to other species. The long-tailed shrike belongs to the Lanidae family. These species are found widely distributed across Asia with distinguished variation in plumage across the range. Thanks to the long tail, the bird looks a bit larger when in reality they are small. Long-tailed shrike is known because of its feeding behavior. It mostly hunts small lizards and insects. After the hunting, they scratch the prey on the thorns to slice them into small pieces. Compared to their small size, the long-tailed shrike gives out loud screeching calls. They are also known to mimic other birds. Usually found in Siberia, China, and Korea, the brown shrikes are migratory species visiting Indian subcontinent during winters. Like their relatives, these small birds have a long tail and perch quietly upright. The adult male's upperparts and crown are darkish brown. Their face is white with a black bandit-like mask running through their eye. Brown shrike feeds on insects, reptiles, small birds, and rodents. They are found in open habitats where they can be seen sitting on a prominent perch like a treetop or a pole. Birds can be quite intriguing. Our next family of birds are not just intriguing but are also colorful. Until then, keep an eye out for these little creatures around you.